Hello students, in my last video I told you that Vanda's father sends a letter to the school and Miss Mason, the class teacher of Vanda and the other student, she read the letter for the class and at last she told the student that whatever has happened is unfortunate and sad. And now she wanted the student to think about it. Of course, the students were also disturbed listening this, especially Maddie. She was a very sensitive girl. She didn't like, although she was Peggy's close friend, but she didn't like the way Peggy asked to the questions to Vanda. So, the first period was a study period. Maddie tried to prepare her lessons. Okay, she was trying to prepare her lesson, but she could not put her mind on her work. Okay, listening that letter, she was so disturbed that she was not able to put her mind on her work. She had a very sick feeling in her bottom of the stomach. It was true that she had not enjoyed listening of Peggy ask Vanda how many dresses she had in her closet. Okay, although she did not like this, that Peggy was asking Vanda that how many dresses she is having in her closet. But although she didn't like, but she had said nothing. Okay, she did not stop Peggy asking questions. She had stood by silently. Okay, she was standing with Peggy silently, without stopping her, without interrupting her. And that was just as bad as Peggy had done. Standing beside a wrongdoer is also as bad as the person who is doing wrong. If we are just close to that person, we are also wrong. We are same kind of person as the another one is. Okay, so she had stood by silently, and that was just as bad what Peggy had done. Worse means it was worse than Peggy had done. She was a coward. Okay, Maddie thinks herself as a coward. At least Peggy had not considered they were being mean, but Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. Okay, Peggy, she had not thought that she is doing wrong, but Maddie, she had thought, she was thinking that what they are doing is wrong. Still, she didn't stop she did not stop Peggy for doing this. She could put herself in Banda's shoes. Okay, she could think herself as Banda and she could stop Peggy from doing this mistake. Goodness, was not there anything could do? As you know, when we make some mistake, great mistake, then we think that okay, we wish that it should be corrected, but it doesn't happen. Maddie was also thinking that if she could do anything, but that was impossible. If only she could tell Vanda she had not meant to hurt her feeling. Once, only once, she wanted to tell Vanda that she did not want to hurt her feelings. Then she wanted to check Peggy's intention also, so she turned around and stole a glance at Peggy. But Peggy was not looking at her side. It seems she was busy in her studies. She was studying hard. Well, Maddie decides whether Peggy felt badly or not. She had to do something. Okay, then she thought what Peggy thought is different thing. Now I'll do something for Benda. And she thought that she had to find Vanda Petronsky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Okay, maybe Vanda's family had not moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights. As you know, Vanda used to live in Boggins Heights. So Maddie thought maybe when she will go to find out Vanda, Peggy would also go to the Boggins Heights with her, and they would tell Vanda that she had won the contest, that they thought she was smart and 100 dresses were beautiful. Okay, she thought that when they will meet Vanda, she will tell her that she had won the contest. Okay, they will tell her about the contest she had won, and they will tell that she was very smart, and they will tell that her 100 dresses were very much beautiful. Means we can see that Maddie is feeling very bad whatever had happened with Benda Petronsky. She wanted to make the things right with Benda Petronsky. And now she decides to find out Vanda. She decides that she would feel sorry. She decides that she will go and find out and tell her that she had won the contest, that she is very smart. They think she is very smart, and all her 100 dresses are very beautiful. Okay, and now in my next video I'll continue the story.